Now here's a sweetheart. You don't get to do one of these every day. 1923 Buick Model 34 Roadster. What a cool little Roadster. Now this particular car would have the 4-cylinder, inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 109-inch wheelbase car. These were completely redesigned in 1923 by Buick. Buick had touted the spring suspension was improved for an easy ride quality, even at higher speeds. The steering gear lengthened to bring the wheel into a more comfortable driving position. How cool was this car back in the day? Still is, with its nice restoration. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior, cargo area, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Gotta love the wooden spoked wheels. That polished Buick center cap. And paint in this car obviously shows very well. Smooth running car. That inline 4-cylinder would be paired up with a manual 3-speed transmission. You can see reflection coming off of that door. Black vinyl interior, also reupholstered at the time of restoration. And we're going to fire this up. We'll check out that engine bay, let you hear it run. I'll also get the top up so you can check out the top on it. It's a black fabric top with kind of a burgundy or maroon wine color trim. Looks fabulous up too. This car really looks good with the top up also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can always assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's those springs that Buick was touting. You can see underneath there for that easy ride quality. 5,768 of these built, so can't imagine there's a lot of them left. Gotta be a pretty rare car. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Neat highlight with the blue on the front fenders to match the paint and the rest of the car. It's a cool color combination. You take this car to any of your local shows or roll-ins, cruise-ins. Probably not going to see another one. All right, let's see if I can get this fired up here for you. Pretty nice, easy running car. As you can see down below here, you have the normal clutch and brake pedal setup. Then you have the gas, which would be here, and this would be the starter, FYI. And as far as transmission, I believe it's a little bit different than the conventional 3-speed. On this, you would have first gear up here, second gear. Excuse me, I take that back. You'd have reverse, first gear, second gear, third gear for the 3-speed. So reverse, first, second, third is, I believe, how it's set up on this one. So let's go ahead and fire this up. We're going to turn key on, and I am in neutral. I'm going to push the starter. And this is about where you want to have timing. Everything's set there, throttle. So we got that set right. Let's go ahead and push this. See how easily that started. This is original. Listen to it purr. Wow. All right, slip around to the back here, and then we're also going to check out that engine bay. Look at the seats quick again. Reupholstered. No rips, tears. Interior looks great. That door shuts beautifully. Listen to that. All right, let's go up to the front here. Let's see. There's a side I'd rather open up for you. Let's open up the other side. Hold on a second. I'm going to pop this hood open on one side. I want you to be able to check out this engine bay. I decided to do the driver's side. A little more excitement over here with a intake and exhaust manifold, the carb, steering gear. But you can see the other side of the pictures. How's that sound? I'll tell you where to check those out one last time. Listen to that run. Very, very smooth. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. I'm going to shut it off, close that hood up, and put the top up so you can check that out. Again, you want to check out those still pictures of that other side of the engine, uniqueclassiccars.com. Give me a second, I'll be right back.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Like I said, cloth top, nicely trimmed. Fits tight up on top of the windshield. Like I said, free of rips, tears, holes. Done with the restoration of this vehicle, so obviously it's not been used a whole lot or out in the weather, and it shows very well, just like the rest of the car. Condition you'd expect. So there you go, one you don't see every day. 1923 Buick Model 34 Roadster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.